The best candidates don't wait. So if your hiring process is slow, you're already losing them. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 of the best applicant tracking systems in 2026, breaking down who each tool is best for, standout features, where AI shows up, and pricing at a glance. Let's get into it. First up is Workable. This one is great if your team needs a straightforward, easy-to-learn applicant tracking system that helps hiring managers and recruiters move quickly without a steep learning curve. You'll find a clean, drag-and-drop pipeline that makes it easy to track candidates at every stage, even for hiring managers who don't use applicant tracking systems every day. Built-in templates for job descriptions and interview feedback help teams standardize hiring steps without extra admin work. And automated scheduling and communication tools keep candidates engaged and reduce back-and-forth emails, so you can focus on making decisions instead of chasing logistics. As for AI features, you can use automated candidate sourcing to surface qualified applicants from job boards and your own database, saving hours on manual searching. The system also screens resumes and suggests top matches for each role, helping you prioritize candidates who meet your criteria. These tools are especially useful when you're hiring for multiple positions and need to quickly identify the best fits without missing strong applicants. One great thing about Workable is its extensive library of up-to-date job description templates, which helps your team launch new roles quickly and stay compliant with hiring standards. That being said, one potential drawback is that Workable's reporting and analytics options are less customizable than some competitors, which can make it harder to track unique hiring metrics or build tailored dashboards. Workable has a 15-day free trial, and paid plans start around $299 per month for up to 20 employees, with higher tiers unlocking features like texting, video interviews, and performance reviews. Next up is AvaHR. This one is great if you're a small business that needs a straightforward, budget-friendly way to organize applicants and keep your hiring process on track without extra complexity. You get a simple dashboard that lets you see all your open roles and candidates at a glance, so you don't lose track of applicants as your team grows. Built-in email templates and scheduling tools help you respond to candidates quickly, even if you don't have a dedicated HR team. Plus, customizable application forms make it easy to collect the information you need for each role, which is especially helpful when you're hiring for a variety of positions. In terms of AI features, AvaHR offers automated candidate screening that helps you quickly identify applicants who meet your job requirements, so you can focus your time on the most promising candidates. The platform also uses smart scheduling tools to suggest interview times based on both your team's and the candidate's availability, which cuts down on back-and-forth emails. These features are especially helpful when you're managing hiring alongside other responsibilities and need to keep the process moving smoothly. A standout feature of AvaHR is its ability to centralize all candidate communications in one place, making it much easier for small teams to stay organized and avoid missing important updates or responses. One thing to be aware of, though, is that AvaHR currently offers limited integrations with other HR or payroll systems, which can mean extra manual work if you need to sync candidate data across different platforms. AvaHR has a 7-day free trial, and paid plans start around $99 per month, with higher tiers unlocking more live job postings, AI candidate scoring, and advanced communication tools like e-signatures and text messaging. Next up is Zoho Recruit. This one is great if you run a staffing agency and need a system that can handle high-volume recruiting and manage multiple client requirements without losing track of candidates or open positions. You can manage multiple client accounts and job openings from a single stubble hiring projects at once. Advanced candidate sourcing tools let you post to multiple job boards and parse resumes automatically, so you can quickly build a strong talent pool for each client. And custom workflow automation helps your team move candidates through each stage efficiently, which is especially useful when you're coordinating interviews and feedback for several roles at the same time. As for AI features, Zoho Recruit offers resume parsing that automatically extracts and organizes candidate information, saving your team hours of manual data entry when handling large applicant volumes. The system also uses AI-assisted candidate matching to suggest the best fit applicants for each job opening, helping recruiters quickly identify top talent for client roles. These capabilities are especially valuable when you need to fill positions fast and can't afford to miss strong candidates in a crowded pipeline. One great thing about Zoho Recruit is its built-in client and candidate portals, which let your clients and applicants track progress and communicate directly, reducing back-and-forth emails and keeping everyone in the loop. On the other hand, a potential downside is that Zoho Recruit's wide range of features can make the platform feel complex at first, which may slow down onboarding for new recruiters. Zoho Recruit has a free plan and a 15-day free trial, and paid plans start around $25 per recruiter per month, with higher tiers unlocking AI candidate matching, advanced analytics, and custom workflow automation. At this point, you can probably see how these tools differ in terms of workflow customization and AI integration. If you want a clearer side-by-side breakdown of those differences, I've linked a detailed comparison guide below. Now let's look at more options. Next up is Manatal. This one is great if you want to use AI to quickly identify and source top candidates from a large pool, especially when you need to fill roles with hard-to-find skills. You can use customizable pipelines to track candidates through each stage of the hiring process, helping your team stay organized even when managing multiple roles. Built-in collaboration tools let your team share notes and feedback directly on candidate profiles, making it easier to align on hiring decisions even when working remotely. And resume parsing automatically extracts candidate information and organizes it into profiles, saving your team time on manual data entry. In terms of AI features, Manatal automatically scores and ranks candidates based on how well their skills and experience match your job requirements, so you can focus on the most promising applicants first. The platform also uses AI to generate candidate recommendations and enriches profiles with publicly available data, helping you quickly identify strong matches without extra research. These capabilities are especially useful when you're hiring for specialized roles and need to move quickly. A standout feature of Manatal is its AI-powered candidate sourcing, which helps you build talent pools from multiple channels and automatically organize candidates based on relevance. One thing to be aware of, though, is that Manatal's profile enrichment relies on publicly available data, which isn't always complete or up to date, so your team may still need to require candidate details manually. Manatal has a 14-day free trial, and paid plans start around $19 per user per month, with higher tiers unlocking workflow automation, advanced report builder, and API access. Next up is Recruit CRM. This one is great if your agency or enterprise team needs a centralized platform to manage high-volume recruiting projects and complex client relationships, without losing track of candidate pipelines. You can manage both client and candidate pipelines in one place, making it easier to track progress and communication across multiple projects. Customizable workflows let you adapt the platform to fit your agency's unique processes, whether you're handling executive search or high-volume placements. Plus, built-in reporting tools help you quickly generate client-ready reports, so you can demonstrate results and keep stakeholders informed without extra manual work. As for AI features, Recruit CRM can automatically parse resumes and extract key candidate details, saving your team time on manual data entry. The platform also suggests relevant candidates for open roles based on job requirements, which helps you quickly build targeted shortlists when filling urgent client requests. These capabilities are especially useful when you're juggling multiple searches and need to move fast without sacrificing accuracy. One great thing about Recruit CRM is its built-in email sync, which lets your team manage candidate and client communications directly within the platform for better tracking and fewer missed messages. On the other hand, a potential downside is that some advanced features require add-ons or higher-tier plans, which can increase costs as your hiring needs grow. Recruit CRM has a free trial, and paid plans start around $85 per user per month, with higher tiers unlocking workflow automation, advanced analytics, and LinkedIn messaging integration. So which of the tools we've covered today actually makes the most sense for your situation? Choose Workable if you want a straightforward platform that's easy for any team to pick up. AvaHR is a good fit for small businesses looking for simple, budget-friendly hiring tools. Zoho Recruit works well for staffing agencies that need flexible workflows and client management. Manatal is ideal if you want advanced AI features for sourcing and ranking candidates. Recruit CRM suits recruiting firms and enterprises managing complex pipelines and multiple client relationships. If you'd like a deeper comparison, we've linked our full Applicant Tracking Systems guide below. Thanks for watching.